Thank you, my Lords. I support the Government in its decision in this case. The murder of Pat Finucane in 1989 has been and should be condemned as wrong and wicked, and so too are the murders of all innocent victims in Northern Ireland and elsewhere. There have been other, all too often forgotten, judges, lawyers and family members murdered by the IRA, whose brutal murders Sinn Féin, who are very prominent in this case, but Sinn Féin and their fellow travellers refuse to condemn the murder of other judges and lawyers. Indeed, they still eulogise and glorify their terrorist killers. And we should remember resident magistrate William Staunton, murdered in 1972. Judge Rory Connahan, murdered in 1974. Resident magistrate Robert McBurney, murdered in 1974. Judge William Doyle in 1983. Mary Travers, murdered in an attack on her father, Tom Travers, as he left church in 1984. Appeal Justice Maurice Gibson and his wife Cecily, murdered in a savage attack in 1987. The dear family Robin and Maureen Hannah and their son David Six, murdered in an attempt to kill High Court Justice Higgins in July 1988. And Edgar Graham, who's been mentioned by the Noble Lord previously, human rights barrister, law lecturer and assemblyman, murdered in December 1983. Sadly, these dear people do not receive the same attention or concern or calls for inquiry or media coverage. Their families too deserve to know who planned and who colluded in their murders. Yes. We remember them also this evening.